Hey Paint Club! Today we're painting a neon flamingo. Now this is a beginner lesson, so have fun with it. Try your best. We're going to be using our big brush and we're going to fill in our entire canvas black, okay? We're going to let it dry a bit before we draw in our flamingo. The beauty in painting is that everyone's painting is going to come out a little different, so embrace your style. We're going to start off by drawing in that flamingo with using a light pink. I'm going to start off by drawing my line kind of thin, the whole outline of the flamingo. But then I'm going to go a little thicker because this is going to be the illusion of the light bulb in our neon flamingo painting. Now, I end the body right in the middle of the canvas so I have enough space to add those long, beautiful flamingo legs. Cute. Now that we have the body in there, we're gonna add a few more layers so it's very bold, and there he is. Now with this dark pink, I'm gonna go all around my light pink lines, and this is gonna give us the illusion of the pink line creating this like glowing effect against the walls. Okay, so this is gonna be that like casting color light that is reflecting onto the wall of our glowing flamingo. Nice. Now that I added a few layers and my flamingo is actually looking like it's glowing, it's creating some light against the wall, I'm going to go over with some fluorescent paint. Now, you don't have to do this step, but if you do, you will have a actually glowing painting, which is really cool when a black light hits it, just like in the beginning of this video. Nice. Now she's vibrant, standing out. I almost forgot the little eyeball. Don't forget your little eyeball. Now I'm going to go right through the middle of that pink line using a white line, and this is going to bring our painting together in such a beautiful way. I'm using an acrylic pen. You can use a paintbrush as well. This pen works like magic, helps you keep those lines really thin and in control. And here is the final result. Oh, I love it. This one in the front has fluorescent paint and the one in the back doesn't. So you can do this painting whether you have fluorescent paint or not. It just won't glow. In the back is some of my upcoming paintings, so please check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.